Summerlin. We are at the community of Nighthawk, built by KB Homes. We're going to be previewing one home today. Now, if this is the first time to your channel, please consider subscribing, like this video, and turn on that notification bell so you will be informed whenever I do these new home tours in Las Vegas. Now let's get started. All right, this is plan 2466. This is a 2-story, 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 4 bath, and a 2-car garage. Starting base price is at $564,990. 3 different elevations. We are about 30 minutes away from Las Vegas Airport, 35 minutes to the Las Vegas Strip, and roughly about 20 minutes from Red Rock Canyon. All right, 9-foot ceilings. Closet. This is your garage. This would be a bathroom and bedroom. Great living room size. You got a kitchen island right here. 3 bar stool seating. This is about an 8x4. White shaker cabinets, black hardware, stainless steel, dual-sided sink, black hardware faucet. You got the dishwasher appliance, microwave, 4 stovetop burner, built-in, a dual built-in oven. Upgraded backsplash. Decent sized pantry. Refrigerator not included. You got the upper cabinets right here. Extra counter space and cabinet right there. Dining area seats 6 people. And you have sectional couches with a small coffee table. Got a large wall display right here with electric linear fireplace. Put a large TV. Pre-wired ceiling fan above. Pre-wired lighting above as well. So this would be the biggest floor plan that they have of 6. They have 190 homes, about 192 homes being built in this community. And about 40 have already been sold. This covered patio is an upgrade option. And if you do that, obviously you will get pavers in your covered patio section. Side gate, side entry to your backyard. And we get calls and texts every single day from people just like you looking to move to Las Vegas, and we love it, guys. Whether you're looking to move in 7 days or 3 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or schedule a Zoom call with us, and we're happy to help you make that smooth move to Las Vegas. I want to show you guys right here, right above the gate. You can see all the way to Las Vegas Strip from this corner. Super windy today, as it does get a little windy towards the mountainside. I'm going to show you guys from this corner, see if you guys can see the balcony above. And also, we encourage you to bring your trusted realtor along to your first visit when buying a new construction home, and that ensures you that you receive expert guidance and representation throughout the process. So keep that in mind, and there's no cost to you for doing that. Let's walk back in the house. What do you guys think so far? Okay, carpet on the second floor. Okay, and I'd like to remind you that if you find value and enjoy any of these home tours, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give us a like, ring that notification bell. This way you won't miss on any upcoming home tour videos I do on the channel. And this helps us grow the channel also. Here is your loft section. You can put a sectional right here. Small coffee table as well with your TV. Okay, this is one of the first bedrooms. You do have a small walk-in closet. Down the hallway to the left, you have full bath. You get white countertops, black hardware, full stand-up shower. This is prefabricated. Toilet, and then you have a small window to look outside your neighbors. Directly across from that is another bedroom. And you get a small square window right out there to see the mountain. That's kind of cool. And here is the third bedroom. This is the larger of the three. Huge window, beautiful views. I mean, look at that. You have a small community park right there across the street as well. And this is a gated community. Great size walk-in closet for this type of bedroom. Now let's walk to the opposite end of the house, which is towards the backyard or the back of the house. Right here to the left, laundry room. Linen closet. And here is your primary bedroom. Look at what they did above. That is really nice. The dual separation on the ceiling panels. And you also have a balcony as well. I mean, look at the views from here. That is a great sight to see when you step out. Imagine coming out every single morning when you wake up and you have this view. I mean, this is worth it. If you agree, let me know. And if you see yourself in this type of home, in this neighborhood, give me a call. Reach out to me. I'll leave my information below. Let's continue the tour. And right here to the left is a large walk-in closet. Look at the size of this closet. You even have extra space for more linens or whatever else that you want to put on there. And then you have a separated stand-up shower with a tub with a large window. You got the white quartz, black hardware, white shaker cabinets. And this is your toilet room. All right, I hope you enjoyed the home tour. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.